Hey everyone, I am going to show you how to create animation with AI for your YouTube channel. We are going to show you how to make animated video using AI, which can be a fantastic way to generate income on YouTube. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of AI-powered animation, stay tuned till the end. Before we dive in, if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and improve your skills in using them, this channel is perfect for you. We regularly share updates and provide easy-to-follow tutorials on harnessing AI tools in today's landscape. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our production of educational content like this. Now, let's get started. To begin with, an essential component of any exceptional animation is a captivating narrative. To assist us in this endeavor, we will use ChatGPT. Let us proceed by inputting a prompt for our story. The prompt we have given is, write a short moral story within a 200-word limit featuring a young boy and his faithful dog. And there you have it, a unique story generated by ChatGPT. Now, let us copy and paste this story into a document file. The next step is generating images for our video. We are going to use Leonardo AI, an AI artwork generator, to create stunning visuals. But remember, providing the right prompts is crucial for the best results. Let us see how we can do this. Here is the prompt we will use. I will generate the images one by one, but you should generate all of them in Leonardo AI. When you are finished, sort them out. Now that we have our images, it is time to bring them to life with animation effects. We will be using Runway AI for this. Let us see how it is done. Upload your AI-generated images to Runway AI, and it will create an animated video. Repeat this process for all your images to maintain the best quality. A good animation needs a compelling voiceover. To create the audio, we will use 11 Labs, a text-to-speech AI tool. Here is how it is done. Select a spokesperson and voice model. Then copy and paste your story into the text box. Click Generate and it will produce your voiceover. Download it for later use. Now, it is time to put everything together. You can use video editing software, and for this tutorial, we will use CapCut, which is free and beginner-friendly. Import all your animations and the audio file. Synchronize the animation with the audio, add transitions, and apply effects to enhance your storytelling. If you want to add subtitles, you can use the auto captions feature to generate them from your voiceover. After a few seconds, they will be applied to your video. You can do some editing on the text, like changing the font style. Once your video is complete, it is time to export it and download the final product. After all the hard work, it is time to upload your video to your YouTube channel. Start earning money and building your audience with your AI-generated masterpiece. And there you have it, your very own animated video created with the power of AI. We hope that this tutorial has provided valuable insights into creating compelling animation videos with AI. I am really looking forward to hearing what you think. Now that you know how to use these animations, are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? I suggest you give it a try and see what creative things you can do with it. After you have tried it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am excited to hear about your experiences, and they could help others who are thinking about trying it out too. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.